Hello, my dear students. This is Prashant. I hope you all are doing well at home. So, in this video lecture, we will discuss about entrepreneurial behavior. This is the course Entrepreneurship Development Business Communication Extension 030. So, today that we have to discuss is entrepreneurial behavior and also about motivation and achievements. So, my dear students, firstly, if you are entering in an enterprise, in a business, or any type of venture, just you have to launch your dream. Whatever you want in your life, just you have to decide it, and after that, you have to work on that. So, in this serial, just we have to understand what is motivation. Just this is the motivation, like if you are running for going somewhere, just you have to decide where you want to go, and if you don't decide, then you can't reach out there. So first thing, entrepreneurial behavior is the result of entrepreneurial motivation. Whatever you will achieve in your life, it will be only that you decide before reaching it out. Again, motivation has derived from the word motive, which implies the inner state of mind that activates, provokes, and directs our behavior towards the goal. Motivation is just like a energy which encourage you to do something big in your life. Again, motivation is a process. My dear students, just you have to remaining that motivation derived from motive, which implies inner states of mind that activates. Okay, it means motivation comes from your inner soul. Motivation is a process, also is a process that motivates a person into action and includes him to follow the course of action till the goals are finally achieved. Means just something, a voice which comes from your inner soul. Just it will says to you to complete your goal, to complete your target, to achieve your target. So again, introduction and definition of motivation. In front of you a slide over there, and here are some points which is given by some physiologist or philosopher. Okay, so to motivate means provide motive, to impel people to action, and to create incentives to work. Motivation is a work a manager performs to inspire, encourage, and impel people to take required action. It's a short definition which given by Lewis Allen. And the next one definition which is given by Michael J is the act of simulating someone or oneself to get a desired course of action. Again, the third thing, which is motivation, means stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goal, which is given by William Scott. Again, a slide is in front of you in which you will see some type of definitions which is given by different philosophers according to Vernon and Steiner. A motive is an inner state that energizes, activates, or moves and that directs behavior towards goal. And here are some type nature of motivation. First is internal feeling of an individual. These feelings prompt him to work more, energize towards productive action. Motivation is linked to satisfaction, and individual is motivated in totality. These are some type of nature of motivation. Again, here is a slide in front of you in which you will understand importance of motivation. What motivation gives us. Motivation, here are some blocks in which you see the first is high satisfaction and morale. Increase productivity. It means here are some type of elements which comes from motivation, and you do whatever you want from the motivation. First, high satisfaction and morale, increased productivity, contribution to organizational goals, congenial work environment, reduced absenteeism and turnover, and acceptance of organizational change. So again, types of motivation. Here are some types of motivation. Your motivation may be positive, may be negative. Okay, so here are two types. First one, positive motivation. Second one, negative motivation. Result in willing cooperation of workers by tempting them towards rewards or incentives. It's a positive motivation. It means result oriented motivation which comes from your inner soul, and it says to you to do something important which change something in your life. It means something valuable adding to your life. It's a positive motivation. Negative motivation means creates fear amongst workers by threatening them with demotions, pay cuts, layoffs, etc. Now we will see importance of motivation. First thing is improves morale of employees, lower level turnover, improves goodwill to organization, creates cordial industrial relations, changes are more easily accepted by employees. So here are some importance of motivation. Again, a slide in front of you in which you will see incentives. And incentives is something that stimulates a person to get it by engaging in desired behavior. It means if you are adding something in others life, or you are adding something valuable, then this is incentives, and it gives a motivation to the person by which he can change their behavior, their working capacity. So here are two things. One thing, financial incentives. Second one, non financial incentives. In the financial incentive sides, you will see pay allowance, productivity linked incentives, bonus, profit sharing, stock options, perks. And the right side, non financial incentives: status, organizational climate, job enrichment, job security, employee recognition, employee participation. So these are incentives. Here are again theories of motivation, a theory which is given by Maslow need hierarchy theory. It is based on human needs. Just you have to remember it. The Maslow's theory based on human needs. Strong needs of an individual dominates the other needs. The second need does not arise till the first need is satisfied. It means second need does not arise till the first need satisfied. For example, needs have a definite sequence of domination. It means just if you have decided something, just you have to think which one is priority and which one is not. Whenever you are not completing your first desire, then this completion you can complete your second desire. So all my dear students, that's all for today. After seeing this video, try to solve the quiz that is mentioned below. See you in next class. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Okay, bye bye. Thank you everyone.